everyone, welcome to Sharmin's Art Forum. I'm Sharmin. Today I'm going to share how to make a thinker man with homemade, air-dry clay. Hope you guys like it. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Dear subscriber, thank you for your support. Stay with me and keep supporting. Dear viewers, if you new here, please subscribe and press the bell icon to get instant updates. Let's watch the tutorial and make something beautiful. Dear viewers, which tutorials do you like most? Let me know in comment below. I would love to read your comment. Consider subscribe to get more videos like this. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to get instant updates. Make one part and leave it for dry. Then make another part. That way it will be easier to work with clay. Consider subscribe to get more videos like this. Don't forget to subscribe and share with your friends and family. It's done. Let it dry. After dry, acrylic white paint. Apply 3 coat of clear varnish. After varnish. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to get more videos like this.